Helicopter, helicopter. So these are the trackers. So this is what they look like. They give you the tool if you ever need to open it up. So in here is the battery if you ever need to replace it. They just pop one like that. So it's very simple and easy to use. They give you some lanyards and also, if you want to put it on a keychain. So we could just place it in like this. And then what you do is you take this, just make it open, slide this through the loop, and there we go. Never lose our car keys ever again. Only works on Android, so please keep that in mind. Just Android. Okay, so it found it right away. We're going to connect to it. Connecting. And we're going to let it go through its mode there. All right, so now what you're going to do, since we got the app, you're going to go and power this on by pressing the button once, and it should make a sound. Okay, so now you know that it's on. And to turn it off, you press and hold for 3 seconds, and it should make a sound. So press and hold. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's off. So now we're going to turn it on again by just pressing. All right, great. Now that we've done that, we're going to go ahead. Okay, so you can easily locate then, which is pretty cool. You can locate your devices and stuff like that, which is really cool. We can't show you guys everything, but they definitely work great, and they're nice and easy to use. But again, only with Android.